Amin. Thank you so much. Yeah, Coach Sandra, thank you so much. So, ayan, to start our presentations for tonight, okay? So, our presenter is, of course, alam niyo naman, kilala niyo naman. He is the owner and the chairman of Dubai Agency. Ayan. So, without further ado, may I call on Coach D.
Ayon, good morning, good afternoon, at magandang gabi sa lahat. Alam ko na tayong lahat dito ay from different countries. I really miss doing this presentation. Kasi matagal ako hindi nagpi-present sa Zoom eh. At nakaka-amaze yung mga leaders natin na nagpi-present online. So talaga nag-duplicate na tayo, ano? So masarap palang makinig, masarap manood sa Zoom kapag may ibang nagpi-present. And even when I'm doing a lot of presentations every day, marami akong natututunan sa mga nagpi-present online. Kaya I keep on attending kasi that is the very basic na kailangan nating gawin. And tonight, siyempre ako yung magpi-present. At after this, siyempre, iba naman. Ipapasilip ko lang sa inyo today the quick overview kung ano ang meron ngayong kay STC 30. Alright? So, hindi naman to mahaba. Ito ay mabilisan lamang. Okay? At wala na tayong paligoy-ligoy. Mag-share screen tayo. Pakiusap. Paki-mute para hindi po tayo maantala sa ating pagpipresent. Let's go! Yan. So, siyempre very familiar tayong lahat. Para sa mga bago at nag-uumpisa, magre-review tayo at lahat ng details na sasabihin ko during this presentation, nyo po, i-sync in nyo ha, kasi ito yung mga very basic, napaka-ikli po itong presentation ko, pero lahat dapat nang nakikita nyo sa Zoom today ay i-sync in nyo sa system para anytime in the future is pag tinanong kayo, kahit natutulog, alam na alam nyo yung dinadala nyong negosyo. So, ang pangalan ng company, Super Life. Diba? Super Life. Life is super. Ano nga ba ang Super Life? At saan yan matatagpuan? Ang Super Life ay isang Malaysian-based company po na nag-start noong 2017. Ulitin ko po, ito isang Malaysian-based company that started in 2017. May sarili po tayong GMP manufacturing facility yung nakikita nyo sa screen. Ito po yung ating own GMP manufacturing facility in Malaysia. At kilalanin natin ang the people behind the operation. Sino nga ba nagpapatakbo ng Superlife? Let's meet the management team. Ayan, si Sir Lighty Kian na tumatay yung CEO and founder of Superlife. Si Mr. Paul Nair naman ang tumatayo pong CFO or Chief Financial Officer and Executive Director of Superlife World. Alright, so yan yun. Okay? So hindi ko na i-elaborate yung mga backgrounds ng mga yan kasi super lulupit ng mga yan. Alright, so pwede natin i-google yan. At in partnership with an amazing Mebel Group Biochemistry of Switzerland, ayan, sa pangunguna ni Dr. Fred Sully, okay, sila po yung dalawang laboratory na nagpo-formulate po ng ating product. Okay, ang formulator ng ibang ingredients natin ay ang Mebel Group Biochemistry, ang nagmamanufacture ay si Superlife World Malaysia. So, after all the years of intensive research and clinical studies, nakapag-imbento po sila, nakabuo ng phenomenal product na ang pangalan po ay STC30 na isang bio-nutrition product. Okay, bakit bio-nutrition? Yan po ang pag-uusapan natin today. Ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng STC30? Pag sinabi mong STC30, ito po ay Super Life Total Care in 30 days. Yan po ang ibig sabihin. Kaya may nakalagay po yan na 30. Alright. So, na isang stem cell product. Plant-based stem cell product. Okay, para sa mga first time na nakikinig, what is stem cell? Pag sinabi mong stem cell, ito po ang sekreto ng pagpapabata, pampahaba ng buhay, at pagkakaroon ng mataas na uri ng kalusugan. The secret to youth, longevity, and optimal health being. Alright. So, matagal na nating narinig ang salitang stem cell. Especially in the Philippines. We heard about it like 30 years ago or 40 years ago. Ginamit na ito ng mga celebrities, na ibalita na to sa mga news, o even post it on Facebook. Katulad ng video na ipapakita ko sa inyo para may idea kayo bakit nga ba super trending ngayon ng stem cell or stem cell therapy. Panoorin natin ang short clip na ito na ibinalita to ng mga nakalipas na taon.
Trending balita naman, dumarami ang mga artistang sumasailalim sa fresh cell therapy. Bagamat kontrobersyal ang proseso dahil itinuturing experimental na pagpapagamot, aminado ang ilang celebrities na nakatulong itong panlunas ng kanilang karamdaman. Mga bituing nagpa-stem cell therapy, trending na. Inamin ni Alma Moreno na nagpa-stem cell therapy siya para sa kanyang scoliosis o sakit sa gulugod.
I'm 53 years old. Normal na magkaroon ka ng mga sakit, diba? Pero feeling ko po hindi. Pati memory, pagtulog ko, yung depression mo, nakakatulong talaga lahat.
Our treatment, after 3 weeks, we harvest the stem cell from our body using a special cannula like this. So we can harvest the bone marrow. So, kukunin yan sa buto.
Pati ang dati niyang asawa na si Joey Marquez, nahimok ding subukan ang naturang therapy.
Nawala yung mga sakit sa kasukasuan mo. Pangalawa, sumarap yung tulog ko na maging mahimbing na yung bowel movements mo iba. Naramdaman mo parang lumilinis yung katawan mo.
Pinagaan din ng stem cell therapy ang pakiramdam ni Snooki Serna.
Vision ko, nag-improve siya. Hindi naman sa nagayabang, thank God. Ang dami pong nagsasabi ngayon na, "Uy, Tita Cookie, parang mas bata ka ngayon na parang nabubloom ka."
30 is the secret to youth, health, and longevity.
Ayan. Yan din ang ginamit ng mga nila Albert Martinez, nila Estrada, Ricky Reyes, Enrile Abonda, Vicky Bello, and even itong si Leo Marcos. Pakinggan natin sa short clip na to. Ito yung actual short clip na kinuha niya live doon sa Villa Medica in Germany. At sasabihin niya sa atin yung sinasabi ko kanina, longevity, the secret to longevity. Siya mismo ang magsasabi during his stem cell therapy in Germany kung ano nga ba, kung gaano kalupit ang tinatawag natin na stem cell or stem cell therapy.
Tintin, no? Nandito ako sa Germany, sa Villa Medica, Germany. Villa Medica, yes. For my stem cell. Yeah. It's a 4-day session. And then, pagpapahingahin ka ng 1 buwan, patutulugin ka nila rito ng 1 year. So, babubuhay na ako ng 250 years kasi babata ako ng 25 years. Senador ng United States. Nandun sa kanan ko. Dito nagpa-stem cell sila Enrile, si Imelda, si Ramos, si Kennedy, si George Bush.
Ayan. So nakita natin mga kalito, yung mga pruweba, maraming videos na mapapanood kayo sa YouTube and in the social media platforms that really promotes the power and amazing effect of stem cell or stem cell therapy. Alright. So nakalipas ang maraming panahon, kaugnay din ng sinabi ni Barack Obama noong 2009 or 2010 during his speech, paano nga ba tayo napasok at napunta sa era of stem cell ng 21st century? Kaugnay ng sinabi niya noong 2009 and 2010, sabi niya, estimated within the next 10 years, 80% of the total population of the world will be tied up to stem cells. Is a $1 billion business. Grabe yan. Yung sinasabi niyang 10 years from now, mga kapatid, ay ngayon po yun nangyayari. Ngayon nangyayari. Kaya nga pag sinabi mong 21st century, it is the era of the stem cells. Eto yun. Kaya pinapag-usapan natin today ay stem cells. Market potential, napakalaki po niya. Ito yung very promising. Ang sabi dito, many will become millionaires from marketing products and services related to stem cells. Dito pa lang sa team natin mga kapatid, we just started, not even a year, marami nang naging Millionaires Club sa team natin. Alright, bakit? Ito yung prediction 10 years ago eh. Kaya nga doon sa mga nag-uumpisa, this is the future mga kapatid. Alright, ngayon, so bakit kailangan na natin ng stem cells? So unang-una, the world is aging. So tumatanda tayo. Pangalawa, nasubukan na natin lahat ng kinds of medicine and supplements available from the herbals, from the antioxidants, from the food supplements. Lahat na try na natin yan. And 21st century is the stem cells. That is the other reason. At sunod, yung lumalalang sakit at karamdaman ng mga tao today. Hindi na enough yung mga nasubukan natin before. Alright? So, bakit? Dahil, eto yan, bumabagsak yung stem cell activities of our body. We need the stem cell right away. Kasi yung ating stem cell in our body, yung pinakita sa video kanina, kung how the stem cell work inside your body, makikita niyo mga kapatid, as we grow old, as we age, the stem cell activities in our body decreases and we cannot stop that. Nung maliliit pa tayo, mga bata pa tayo, that is 100%. Pag sinabi mong stem cell, uulitin ko for the very basic information that stem cell is the repair kit of our body. The doctor of our body. Nung mga bata pa, 100% yung lakas ng ating repair kit, yung defense ng ating katawan. Kaya nga pag umidad ka ng 50 or 60, the repair kit of your body ay napakahina na. Just 5%. Kaya kung matatandaan mo during the COVID, sabi ng mga doctors in hospitals, huwag palabasin ang mga senior citizen. Kaya 95% halos ang namatay dyan if a senior citizen. Kasi nga yung defense system, yung power to recover and to repair, ay napakahina na. And that is the facts. So we cannot stop that. Okay? Very alarming. Huwag kayong maalarma kasi lahat tayo may expiration. Lahat naman talaga tayo ay papanaw. It's just a matter of how, when, and what. Paano. And we cannot stop that. Now, the good thing is, dahil hindi natin kayang pigilan ang pagtanda ng katawan ng tao, so hindi natin mapipigilan ang pag-decrease ng stem cells. Pero ito yung maganda. Ayon sa mga latest na pag-aaral, sabi nila kung gaano kabilis ang takbo ng buhay ng mga tao today, siya ding bilis ng pagbabago sa siyensya at teknolohiya, lalo na sa aspeto ng pagpapaganda, pampabata at pampahaba ng buhay. Hanggang sa na-discover nila itong tinatawag natin na stem cell therapy. Kasi ang stem cell or stem cell therapy has the power to reverse our biological clock. Wow! At ito yung tinatalakay natin today. Lahat ito ay gusto nating mangyari kasi kung hindi daw natin mapipigilan ang pagtanda ng katawan ng tao, pwede nating pabagalin. It slows down our aging process and we call it stem cell therapy. At ito yung mundo natin today. Ngayon mga kapatid, may tatlong resources or sources of stem cell, hindi po iisa. Tatlo po yan. Human stem cell, animal stem cell, at plant stem cell. Pag sinabi mong human stem cell, yan yung mga video na pinakita ko kanina na ginamit ng mga wealthy Filipinos. Ito i-google nyo to. Wealthy Filipinos are shelling out between $12,500 to $18,000 per session. Ganyan kamahal yung human stem cell. Kaya nakalipas ang 30 years o 40 years, hindi naging patok sa masa kasi napaka-mahal. Kaya sabi dyan, wealthy Filipinos. Eh ngayon, na-discover na natin na ito pala pampabata at pampahaba ng buhay. So gusto rin natin. Ang problema na lang, yung millions. Kasi 1 million pesos po yan per session. The thing is, ito na nga yung ating era, 21st century. Ang good news, tulad ng sinabi ko, hindi tumitigil ang siyensya at teknolohiya sa pagdidiscovered ng mga ingredients or formulations na pwedeng makatulong sa katawan mo hanggang sa na-discover nila yung pangalawang klase ng stem cell na mas mura than the human stem cell, and that is what we call animal stem cells na galing naman po sa placenta ng usa at saka ng tupa. Available din po yan in the market today. Mas mura po yan from 100,000 to 200,000 pesos. It could be in the form of injection or it could be in the form of capsulized. Okay? But it is a 50-50 beneficial to the human being. Unang-una, napanood ko, nakatulong din naman to boost the immune system, nakakapagpalakas din naman. But I have seen also a lot of cases na lalong nagkasakit. Imagine, bakit magkakasakit at lalo kang magkakaproblema yung katawan mo? It is animal stem cell. It is a foreign body that will never match our DNA, our human system. That is very basic. Right? Baka pwede ka naman pwede kang lumakas, pwede kang gumanda, pwedeng mabusog immune system, pero pwede rin magbago ang hitsura mo. Right? So, although it is a half joke mga kapatid, what I'm telling, hindi tayo against sa stem cells na to. It is available in the market, but ito ay hindi po approved and registered. Alright? Kasi animal stem cell po yan. Alright? Ayan. Hanggang umabot na tayo sa 21st century. At ito na po yung patatlong klase or uri ng stem cells. Ito po yung era ng organic stem cell. Ito yung plant stem cell na tinatawag, which is the highest and latest formulation ngayong 21st century ng mga biochemists and scientists. Hanggang na-discover niya ang amazing, incredible product na si Esthesia 30. Mga kapatid, tandaan, ito po since 2003. Since 2003, nangyari po yung formulation ng ating product na si Superlife Total Care in 30 days. Ngayon, very unique na po ang pagkaka-formulate ng ating product. Hindi na po ito ini-inject. Alright? Hindi na rin po ito naka-capsulize. Hindi rin po ito naka-tablet. At hindi din po ito naka-liquid. Ito po ay naka-miracle powder and nasa sachet. Pwede niyong panoorin niya sa YouTube and Facebook. Yung binalita dati na Corina dati, na Jessica Soho, nakalagay doon, the miracle powder and nasa sachet. Bakit powderized? Kasi ginamitan na po ito ng pinaka-latest na teknolohiya that we call it nanotechnology. Kaya we call it nanotech formulation. Sobrang pino po nito kasi powderized. Very unique. Dahil unique ang pagkagagawa ng ating product, unique din ito gamitin. Bakit? Ang paggamit po nito mga kapatid ay sublingual. Pag sinabi mong sublingual, yan po ay under the tongue. Under the tongue, ibig sabihin kasi sa ilalim ng dila natin, nandiyan yung thousands of capillaries and veins na nakakonect sa ating mga cells and tissues. Kapag sinabi mong sublingual mga kapatid, pinakamabilis na paraan ng pagtitake ng any form of medicine. Paano gagamitin? An hour before your breakfast or before your meal. Ibig sabihin, from the moment you get up from your bed, take one sachet of Esthesia 30, put under the tongue, and wait for maximum 2 minutes. Fast absorption, wala na yan. Tunaw na, lalo na ngayon yung enhanced Esthesia 30 natin, super bilis. Wala pang 1 minute, tunaw na kasi super pino. Alright? Dahil nga sa sobrang bilis ng absorption nito mga kapatid, ito po ay diretso sa cells, tissues, and bloodstream na natin. Ganon po kabilisan, hindi na po dumadaan yan ng ating digestive system. Bago pa mabasa ng metabolismo, nasa cells and tissues mo na. Kaya nga, sublingual. Hindi na ginawang tablet, hindi na ginawang capsule, hindi na. Diretso, parang tinurok. And then after that, maghihintay ka ng 30 minutes bago ka uminom ng tubig. Then after that, tandaan, 1 hour before your breakfast. Diba? Nakita nyo, very unique ng paggamit ng ating STC 30. Ngayon, let me show you bakit sobrang lakas at sobrang galing ng ating STC 30. Kasi ito po ay ginamitan ngayon ng 9 bioactive ingredients na matinding pinag-aralan ito ng mga scientists and biochemists. Kaya ito ay wisely selected, scientifically and clinically tested bioactive ingredients. Isa-isahin natin. Ano nga ba yan? Unahin na natin ang patented double stem cells na si Malus domestica and Solar Vitis. Bakit patented? Kasi ito po ay ginamitan ng pinakabagong teknolohiya na ang pangalan ay PhytoCellTech. Pag sinabi mong PhytoCellTech, it is an award-winning innovation po ng 2008 na ginawa po ng Mebel Group Biochemistry ng Switzerland, yung ating partner laboratory, which is the latest biotechnology for live stem cells culture. Kaya kung makikita nyo kanina yung present o yung pinay na video ni Coach Josh, yun po yung that's how the process happened during the formulation ng ating Esthesia 30. Biotechnology. Alright, let's talk about the first ingredient. Tandaan mga kapatid, shampoo yung ating active ingredients. Phytoceltic Balos domestica. Ibig sabihin, ito po ay award-winning patented liposomal preparation of the apple stem cells. Saan po galing? Sa Switzerland. Mayaman po ito sa tinatawag natin na epigenetic factors and metabolites which ensures the longevity of skin stem cells. Malus domestica has been shown to protect the skin stem cell. It succeeds in delivering a revolutionary anti-aging performance for real rejuvenation. So ngayon mga kapatid, isa-isahin natin. It was 2003 nang na-discovered ang apple stem cells doon sa Switzerland. But take note ha, hindi po ito yung apple na kinakain natin. It is a medical apple planted only in the northern part of Switzerland sa taas na 3,797 feet from the ground. It was 2003 na na-discovered. At ano ang meron ang apple na to? Sabi dito, rich in epigenetic factors and metabolites which ensure the longevity of skin stem cells. Alam niyo, pag sinabi mong epigenetic factors and metabolites, alam niyo ba mga kapatid, from the moment, tanda ba, kinig kayo mabuti, from the moment it touches your sublingual, pagtaktak niyo dyan sa dila niyo, anong ginagawa niya? Nag-create, nag-a-activate po ito ng 80% of your stem cells in your body. So hindi yan, parang, di ba, parang tinurok. Ganun kabilis. 80% agad ang i-activate or i-stimulate the stem cell inside your body. Every sachet na ginagamit mo. Yun ang ibig sabihin po ng epigenetic factors and metabolites. Sobrang bilis po niyan. Ano pa? This apple combats chronological aging. This apple stem cell has an anti-wrinkle effects with probiotics and antibiotics compound. Mayaman po ito sa vitamin E na anti-inflammatory, mayaman sa vitamin C na protector ng ating cells, mayaman sa fiber for detoxification and potassium energy giving. Malus domestica repairs damaged cells in organs, protects human stem cells against UV light induced death. It reverses environmental damage. In summary, this apple stem cell actually promote cell regeneration, collagen production, increase synthesis and repair damaged cells, and cell regeneration rate. That is amazing. The amazing apple of Malus domestica o Twiler is spot lover, the first ingredient of our TC30. Let's move to the second ingredient. Ang tawag po dito ay si Solar Vitis. Phytoceltic Solar Vitis, which is a stem cell based on the derived from a rare grape cultivar with a high tannin levels. And ito pong stem cell na to ay actually founded in France, in Burgundy region of France. Okay, it gives additional protection against UV radiation, counters by protecting and maintaining the activity of stem cells, rich source of antioxidants that help regenerate, help maintain cell production. So ibig sabihin mga kapatid, this Solar Vitis or grape stem cell is actually extremely high in anthocyanin, which is more than the vitamin A, the vitamin C, and the vitamin E. Rich in collagen for skin elasticity against UV radiation. This stem cell reduces the appearance of sun damage and wrinkles while giving the skin a smoother and firmer feel. It fights aging. That is the second ingredient na meron po kay TC30. Let's talk about the number 3 and 4. The double powerful extract of the bellberry and the blackcurrant. Sino nga ba si blackcurrant? Blackcurrant regulates the blood flow, strengthens the immune system, supports the kidney, type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Mayaman po sa vitamins like vitamin C, E, B1, B5, and B6. We call it vitamin B complex. Mayaman po ito sa aging omega at iba't ibang klase ng acids na kailangan ng ating joints and muscle damage. Let's talk about the bellberry that protects the liver damage, improve blood peripheral tissue, supports the kidney, skin problems, reduces the bad cholesterol, eye disorders, and urinary infections. Apat na. Let's talk about the number 5. Gumamit din po sila ng patented glycine cantaloupe extract. Alright? At ito po ay nakapatent in France and US and other countries. Pag sinabi mong glycine is an enzyme, SOD means superoxide dismutase, the first orally effective SOD supplement in the world. Panglima, tayo din po ang gumagamit yan. Ano ang purpose ng enzyme na to? Booster. Boosting our immune system, our immune health. Yan ang po ang purpose ng enzyme or glycidine cantaloupe extract. 5 na. Pang-6, kailangan nilang gumamit ng vitamin C to make our product really powerful. At hindi po yan kinuha sa orange. Pag sinabi mong vitamin C, alam naman natin that vitamin C is the most important protector of our cells and tissues. Okay, from the free radicals na pumapasok sa ating katawan. So hindi po nila kinuha sa orange, kundi kay kamo berry. This Amazon superfruit is an, right? Resource po ng highly resource of patatawag natin na source of natural vitamin C in compound polyphenols. Bakit? Sobrang asim po nito mga kapatid, halos hindi po ito nakakain. It's a rare exotic Amazon superfruit, doon mo lang yan matatagpuan kasi ang power ng kamo berry na to ay times 60. 60 times more vitamin C. May compound polyphenols. Pag sinabi mong polyphenols ay iba't ibang klase po ng mga antioxidants na makukuha mo sa iba't ibang berries na kay kamo berry po yun. May zinc. Mayaman din po ito sa magnesium and calcium na kailangan ng ating bones and muscle production. 6 na. Antindi yan mga kapatid. At ito na yung good news. The main thing na pag-uusapan natin today. Lumabas na po at nandito na rin sa Dubai yung tinatawag natin na Enhanced STC 30. After 6 years of intensive research and clinical studies, finally, ito na yung pinakihintay nating lahat. Let's talk about the 3 new bioactive ingredients na ginamit po ng Superlife. Number 1, golden kiwi seed extract. Ano ang ibig sabihin nito at saan lupalop to kinuha? Golden kiwi seed extract had been used as crude drug in the ancient China with anti-arthritic and anti-hemorrhagal properties. Kiwi seeds oil is rich in linoleic acid and omega-3, the essential fatty acids, and natural amount of tocotrienols, a potent antioxidant. In general, it is preventive against DNA damage by reducing blood platelet aggregation and oxidation in lymphocytes, strengthening the resistance towards oxidative damage. Marami pa actually maraming clinical studies at ipapakita ko na lang yan sa mga susunod nating Zoom. I'm just showing you the overview of our new STC 30. Pang-8, ito, antindi nito, prickly pear cactus. Prickly pear is loaded with antioxidants, omega fatty acids, and high amounts of vitamin E. Ay, grabe to. It is touted for its antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties. Research suggests that the contents of prickly pear oil reduce inflammation as well as prevent cell damage. So, another study suggested that prickly pear helps to prevent liver injury caused by chronic alcohol consumption by enhancing antioxidant status and preventing oxidative damage. Ay, good news to sa mga nagyuyosi at na nagbe-vape. May panglaban na. Actually, marami pong benefits ang prickly cactus na to, ano? At pang-9, ayan, bagong-bago, mainit-init pa. Ang pangalan po ay sea buckthorn. My God, nung nilabas to, sabi ko may mga ganito palang klase na mga berry. Alright? Pag sinabi mong sea buckthorn, i-research nyo po yan. It is a strong antioxidant that fights free radicals, rebuilds cells, protects against harmful radiation of the solar, yung tinatawag natin na sa mga galing sa X-ray. Alright? Has regenerative and restorative effect. Antindi nito. Alright? Unsaturated fatty acids found in sea blackthorn, especially the omega-3. Eh, grabe ito mga kapatid, which is napakaganda, good for the heart, mainly EPA and DHA, can reduce post-inflammatory substances induced by a harmful radiation. These compounds reduce the effects of the sunburns. Maganda to sa skin. Accelerates regenerative processes of the damaged lipid barrier of our body. That makes these 3 new active ingredients double the layer protection. Yun ang summary po nun. Ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung properties ng skin ng tao at properties ng antioxidants na tinatawag na ginagamit, na dinadamage ng ating ng mga free radicals. So nakikita mo yung image na yan, okay? Yung apple na fresh, na unti-unting nabubulok dahil dinadamage ng mga free radicals. The same thing happened with our cells. So nag-start from the skin. Then papunta yan doon sa cells and tissues and organs. So ano ang role ng ating product? Hindi ko na iisa-isa niya na ito yan. Kasi pag inaatake yung katawan natin ng mga oxidative stress na yan, starting from nagkakaroon tayo ng madali tayong mapagod, okay, reduce concentration, so decrease mood, narrowing arteries of increased blood glucose, hormonal imbalance and decreased cortisol, aches and pains in the joints and muscles, nagdi-decrease yung ating immunity, bumababa ang resistensya, at increased risk of allergy. So ito ilan lamang sa nagiging epekto ng tinatawag natin na free radicals in our body. Ngayon, etong maganda. After all the formulations at yung 9 powerful bio-ingredients ng STC30, ito po yung main mechanism na meron po ang STC30 natin ngayon. Okay? Yung 3 main mechanism natin, yung ating quercetin, yung flavonoids, at yung tinatawag natin na polyphenols. Ano ang gagawin nito sa katawan natin? The antioxidant properties of the ingredients are attributed by their bioactive compounds such as polyphenols and flavonoids. In fact, the lipophilic aspect of these compounds, alright, allow them to diffuse. Ang grabe ito, i-diffuse niya inside the cell membrane, which is rich in polysaturated, unsaturated fatty acids and protein. Grabe yan. Ano pa? These bioactive compounds will trap the activated oxygen species. As consequence, it enhances the UV defense mechanism of body. Ang tindi, ano? Grabe, tinatrap niya. Kasi nga double protection na ginagawa po nung ating STC ngayon. And then, phytoesterols, the plant cholesterol, in particular the cytoesterols and polyphenols also possess anti-inflammatory activities. So long-lasting cell effect to protect it against the UV radiation, radical damage, oxidative damage, and inflammation. Kaya nga double protection po, double layer protection yung gagawin po ng ating product. Ito po yan. In summary, ito na yung power ng ating enhanced STC30. STC30 now possesses biomaterials with high antimicrobial, antiviral, and radical scavengers, yung tinatawag natin na antioxidant properties, form a protective barrier, double protection to ito mga kapatid, barrier against virus, bacteria, UV radiation, radical damage, oxidative damage, and inflammation. Kaya nga kapag gumamit ka na ng bagong STC30, magiging, sabi ni Coaches kanina, become a superhuman with STC30 overall. STC30 provides the blood vessel function a strong UV protection. Eliminating excessive UV radiation will help to strengthen the body's immune defense. So STC30 acts as a super booster of the body, aiming to improve your overall well-being. So in summary, STC30 enhanced as actually a stem cell stimulator and activator, a holistic stem cell therapy with the power to repair damaged cells. It has the power to restore sick cells. It has the power to rejuvenate aged cells, the power to replace dead cells, regenerates new cells, cleanses the blood, detoxifies the body, and a functional supplement after all. Our product is certified and approved globally. And no doubt, we are globally operating kasi lahat ng certification meron po tayo. Yan yung ating advantage. From the trademark of Superlife, ISO certification, this is one of the highest certification that we have. Now, the license, AGL license in Malaysia, Direct Selling Association and membership in Malaysia. We have hundreds of scientific and clinical study certification. We have our own GMP facility, 100% halal certified, at yung product natin po ay 100%. Meron pong product liability insurance of 1 million ringgit equivalent to 15 million pesos. What does it mean? Kapag gumagamit ka ng Esthesia 30 at ang naging dahilan ng pagpanaw mo ay ang Esthesia 30, your beneficiary can claim 15 million pesos. Ayan. Ito po yung ating tatlong FDA certification, the LTO and the CPR. We have US FDA, FDA in France and Germany, NAFDAC, FDA certification in Africa, and even product registration here in UAE. Etong malupit. For the last decades, almost a decade mga kapatid, Superlife achieved incredible feats by gaining and awarded by so much of awards. Nakuha na po natin ang Oscars for Business, ASEAN Masterclass, Quality Social Brand in Germany, and even the Brand Leader of the Decade. What does it mean for the last decade mga kapatid? We are the front runner and the holder of the super brand. Kaya nga, super duper ang Superlife. Let's talk about the benefits and testimonies na meron at anong gagawin ng Esthesia 30 sa katawan mo. Alright, isa-isahin natin ano ang gagawin ni Esthesia 30 sa katawan mo. Fights constipation agad. Ibig sabihin, di ba, kanina iinumin mo 1 hour before your breakfast. Anong gagawin nito? Unang-una, hindi ka magugutom. Pangalawa, lilinisin niyang mga toxin na nandyan sa colon mo. Lalo na kung hindi ka dumudumi ng 3 times a day. Ayan na, ito na ang pagkakataon mo na mailabas sa mga toxins yan at mag-regular yung bowel movement. Ang bowel movement normal is 3 times a day. May mga tao once a day, may ibang tao after 2 days. Ito na yung chance. Kung ang hanap mo lang naman ay pampabata, ito na yung matagal mong hinihintay. Kung hindi mo na-afford noon ang mga millions na human stem cell, this time, Esthesia 30 made available to you. Balance is the pH level of your body para hindi ka na maging acidic at hindi ka na mag-suffer sa acid reflux na every time umiinom ka ng kape as of things from acidity to alkalinity. It lowers the blood cholesterol, obstruction allergies, fights goiter and thyroid problem, fights rickets. Ibig sabihin yung mga taong kulang sa vitamin D, calcium, and phosphorus, fights anemia or any blood problem, and even reduces the stress as our daily therapy para makaiwas sa tinatawag natin na brain aneurysm na naging sanhi ng kamatay na Judith Valdivino, ni Joyce Culia, and Isabel Granada, and so on. Maganda din po ito para sa may mga ulcers, sa may mga colon cancer, liver disorders, fat liver disease, even yung may mga gout and uric acid, rheumatoid arthritis, eczema and skin problems, melasma. We have infertility. Yan, taga Dubai, 9 years na ba hindi nagkaanak, 30 days lang nag-Esthesia 30, buntis. Ibig sabihin mga kapatid, all in all, ang Esthesia 30 natin is actually working on all parts of our body from the cardiovascular system, lahat ng problema sa puso. Alright, prevent stroke from ischemic attack, decrease incidence of a heart attack, marami. Even lahat ng problema sa respiratory problem. Mahina ang baga, may tubig ang baga, may spot. Ayan, especially yung may mga mahilig manigarilyo at saka magyosi. Gastrointestinal problem from the liver to gallbladder to large intestine to small intestine and so on. Lahat ang problema sa brain and ito, sa ating neurosystem. Lahat meron yan. And even sa musculoskeletal system natin, may mga problema sa buto and muscles. Ito yan, lahat. Ano pa? Blood sugar control sa mga may problema sa mga yan sa sugars. Dahil sa ating mga kinakain, ito na mga kapatid, lalo na mga kakilala nyo na mayroong diabetes 1 or 2, yung mga nag-i-insulin. Our product is super duper effective in that kind of condition. Even cancer prevention and management. Wow! Hindi, you don't have to spend doing the chemotherapy or radiation. Hindi na mga kapatid, stem cell therapy is the best therapy today. No injection, no operation, no amputation, non-invasive, no inflammation, wala, nothing. It is a natural process. Kaya ang tawag kay STC-30 is a stem cell holistic therapy. We are talking about the natural process of healing your body. Hormonal imbalances, ibig sabihin, lalo sa mga kababaihan na nagsasuffer ng any of our gynecological disorders. We are talking about vaginal infection, yung PMS, yung premenstrual syndrome, fibroids, ovarian, cysts, PCOS, yung tinatawag natin na polycystic ovarian syndrome, and even menstrual bleeding. I'm talking about this, lalo na sa mga kababaihan. Daming Pilipinos dito sa Dubai, sa UAE, sa Middle East, and anywhere in the world, ang marami pong ganyan, bukol-bukol. Ayan, and it's getting bigger hanggang sa mag-bleeding na, hanggang magkaroon ka na ng infections, then goes to the ovarian cancer and cervical cancer and so on. Sa mga kalalakihan, maganda po ito, lalo na doon sa medyo humihina na yung ating partner. Ayan, yung may mga prostate problem, prostate enlargement, prostate cancer, lahat. Ito na ang ating hinihintay in over 35. Chronic condition control, stroke, acne, amnesia, insomnia, anemia, osteoarthritis, everything, all kinds of cancer, name it. Ibig sabihin, any disease that you can think of, STC-30 got you back. Alright, bago ako magtapos mga kapatid, let me show you an incredible testimony ng isa sa user natin na anak po ng taga Dubai. Ito, I keep on playing this kasi this is incredible testimony ng isa sa gumagamit natin. This teenager, yung kung makikita nyo sa lower screen natin, she was fighting for her life 50-50. Anong merong kondisyon siya? CKD, chronic kidney disease. For 9 months, she's fighting for her life in the hospital, and her mom here, Mom Grace, is spending a lot of money for the last 9 months, and even the doctor cannot even find a solution for the last 9 months. Then if it was April 1, umattend siya ng event namin dito sa office. Nakinig. Of April 2, pinadalhan namin. Na-receive siguro mga April 7. And what happened? April 16, she's out from the hospital. Mga 3 or 4 boxes lang yon. At ito na yung kondisyon niya after taking out from the hospital. Pakinggan natin ang kanyang story.
Everyone, my name is Chelsea C. Umpad and I'm 18 years old. I currently living here in Don Carlos, Bukidnon, and I have a lovable family. When I was 17, I was diagnosed with glomerulonephritis. If everyone doesn't know what is glomerulonephritis, it is a disease that your protein in your body will go out to your urine. My filter in my kidney are damaged. They have what they call gas. I don't know what's the English of that thing. So it is also known a chronic kidney disease. A disease that can't be cured because the doctor doesn't find a medicine for that. So you just need to change your.
So ayan mga kapatid, nakita nyo, just STC-30 ang nakatulong sa kanya talaga. After spending a lot of money from the hospital, ayan na siya. Life-saving po talaga. Lalo na
everyone, my name is.
Ang ginamit po niyan, 6 ingredients pa lang. What imagine ngayon, 9 ingredients na tayo mga kapatid. Even ito si Kabayan. Kaya ito ay ovarian cancer stage 3. Nakalbo na po yan. Malaki na ang tiyan kasi nga naka-4 na chemotherapy na. Pinuntahan din namin. Nag-donate ako ng 2 boxes. 1 sachet every 4 hours. After 3 or 4 days, parang kalabaw na si ma'am. Ayan na. Ayan. Maganda po yan.
Mayin tayo sa
Hindi ko na ipi-play yan. So ibig sabihin, proven mga kapatid yung ating STC-30. That time, ang ginamit namin ay 6 ingredients. And this time, 9 ingredients. Imagine that. Kaya nga kay Super Life, life is super. Thank you so much.
Yan ang mga super people. My God. Any questions? Any questions? Wala naman. Ayan. So we learned a lot of many things po with regards to additional ingredients that we have in the STC-30. So ayan. So kung may question ba tayo? By the way, dito po sa Dubai, available po yung ating mga bagong STC-30 ha. So, yung mga gusto na kumuha ng mga bagong STC30 natin, it's already available here. So, any question po? So, kung wala na tayong questions, ayan. So, I know that marami na tayong natutunan. How much ang new STC30? So, sa Pilipinas po, Coach Dubel, hindi namin alam kung magkano siya kasi wala pa sa Pilipinas. Dito po, meron lang tayo dito sa Dubai. Okay. So ayan, so para po makapagpahinga na din at of course lahat naman ay kung wala naman questions, may I call on Coach Mark Conrad to give us the closing prayer.
Oh, hello.
Yes, Coach Mark.
Okay, let's pray. Dakilang Diyos na makapangyarihan sa lahat. Panginoon, maraming salamat sa araw nito. Salamat sa learnings that we have learned for today. Salamat sa wisdom, O Lord, na patuloy mo binibigay kay Coach D, O Lord, to share the learnings, to share the knowledge, to share also the information on what we should need to learn as a distributor of STC30 and all of the products that we have. Again, for all the distributor, for all the coaches here, again, I pray that lahat ng pagpapala at abounded blessing from above will flow through all of us. And to all na gusto pang matuto, again, we pray that you will give us courage, you will give us strength and effort na kailangan namin, O Lord, to bless us to have the results that we wanted to. Again, thank you for everything. Thank you for all the learnings. Thank you for all the distributors here. In Jesus' name, O Lord, we pray. Amen.